Alright, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, which is a nice white for a nice base. And I'm going to go ahead, put it all over and pat it down to avoid texture with my brush. I want a white base, so these bright colors from this Morphe palette, the 35M Boss palette to be exact, show up. I'm going to be using these greens and purples, and I'm excited. I'm going to start off with using Daredevil in the crease and the corner of my eye. It's a nice bright shimmery purple, nice normal purple. Then I'm going to follow that up with Great Expectations, and I'm going to put that right on the corner of my eye and the crease, obviously, and I'm going to make sure to blend that out. I'm going to go back with my Milk pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that crease, popping on top Stroke of Luck and Express Yourself, creating that nice green lid. I forgot to record myself putting on the Bold Moves, which is the nice shimmer, and you'll tell in the other videos the shimmer on the eye, and that's the color it was. I want to make sure to blend out. Blending is very key for this look. Now I'm going to use my NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the color Crystal Silver to go ahead and really define that cut. In the corner, I'm going to pop Power Slayer and Daredevil mixed together just to emphasize the corner of my eye and making sure I'm touching up that liner. Now I'm going to be using my MAC Brushblack BrushStroke eyeliner and my NYX White eyeliner to create this Beetlejuice eyeliner. Again, my camera angles were horrible, y'all. I promise I will get better. But I'm just going to go ahead and start off with the white liner, just going to create the full eyeliner with white. Then I'm going to go back with that brush black, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on those little boxes. I feel like doing it that way, I got a more consistency, a nice, clean, crisp cut line versus me trying to create the lines as if I was drawing them. Look at how dope that looks. Now I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Fishnet eyeliner, and I'm going to pop that right in my waterline, following with Power Slayer and Daredevil on the bottom. I'm going to be using my Clinique bottom lash mascara to go ahead and put on my bottom lash and to blend out with my false lashes. And that's it, y'all. This is the finished look. Super quick and easy. I mean, it wasn't that quick and easy. It took me forever, but I love it. And I hope you guys loved it. This is the whole finished look. I just was doing a quick eye tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.